In today's video, we are going to be transforming my Lexus 3IS's rear bumper from this to this. So stay tuned, guys, because we are going to be installing a still-in diffuser on my Lexus IS. What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of JDM for All. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you haven't already, do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Alright, guys, if you guys saw the video about the diffuser, this is the brand new still-in diffuser for my 2016 Lexus IS. I will be installing it today. It is painted a matte black. It looks really good. Also has double-sided tape, and it did also come with some screws, and it came with this still-in license plate frame, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we're going to be installing this today, guys. It should be really easy. I'm going to test fit it, and then we're going to install it, but it should be really easy, guys. So basically, look at the stock diffuser. Wow, what an upgrade. So basically, I'm going to test fit it, and then I'm just going to clean this diffuser off, and then I'm going to install it. Should be really easy. Alright, so I cleaned the stock diffuser and I test fitted it. It actually fits really good. And so now I cleaned it up with some alcohol and just wiped it down really good. It looks like the main points that the diffuser 3M tape is going to come in contact is right here, all the way along right here, all the way down the side, and right here. So I cleaned those spots really good with alcohol, and I just wiped it down really well. Now it's time to lift up the corners of each piece of this double-sided tape. Now what I'm going to do is just lift them up and tape them to the outside, and then when I have it in the position that I want, then I will just rip them off completely once it's in the perfect spot on the bumper, on the diffuser. Basically, I'm just going to lift up all the corners of each piece of the double-sided tape, just so they are easily accessible while it's on the diffuser, on the car. And with these, I'll just pull them off. And then once it's exactly how I like it, then I'll just pull it off completely and press it onto the car. And there are pieces like at the bottom right here. So basically, it looks like it just goes along the tops right here and then along the bottom. So I'm going to install it right now, guys. Alright, guys, so it is done. It looks great. It is a big change from what it was looking like. Look at that. It looks amazing, and I am definitely happy with this mod, guys. So I am going to be screwing a couple screws in just to make sure it holds. One on this corner and one on the other corner, just to make sure that it holds a little bit better and make sure it doesn't go anywhere. But it looks great, guys. Check that out. It looks amazing. It is definitely a big upgrade from the stock diffuser, and I am super happy about this mod, guys. So $250, but I think it's worth it, and it is definitely good quality, and it just looks really good. So that's what it looks like from the passenger side. Definitely a good look, and I think it looks great, and I think it came out really good. Alright, guys, so that is about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for making it this far. If you haven't already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Check that out, guys. That diffuser looks amazing, and this bumper definitely should have came like this from the factory. You think it would have been a lot better, but yeah, that's a big upgrade, and now my car is a little more unique and will stand out on the road a little better. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys later.